Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney based here in Washington, D.C. My clients are all over the United States, and we help with so many different types of immigration applications. We only work on U.S. immigration cases, so we don't do anything other than U.S. immigration cases. Today was an awesome day with so many consultations. I think 8 or more consultations that I had today with people that want to work with our firm. These services that we offer range from humanitarian cases like VAWAs, T visas, U visas, employment cases, individuals just looking for status here in the US. And we're so grateful to be able to talk to them about the laws and the process that is involved with receiving status in the US, some ways that you may not be aware of. And I come on here to discuss humanitarian cases, to talk to you about green cards. If you are interested in living permanently here in the US, what you might need to qualify, different types of possibilities that are there for you if you are suffering abuse or harm from another person. Okay, so let me start off talking about VAWA. I know we talk about VAWA a lot here, but it's one of our most common case types, and it is a huge benefit for people that qualify, right? So for a VAWA, this is what you need to qualify. We work on mostly spousal VAWA cases, but I have to say that we just got a parent VAWA case approved. Very, very exciting. This person didn't think she had any other way to remain in the US, and she was recently approved, and we're super excited about giving her the green card, hopefully in the next couple of days. So we just received notice of the approval, and the green card usually follows in the mail in a couple of days, and we're super excited about sharing this with her. So that's number one. But anyway, let me get back to our VAWA cases. We mostly work on spousal VAWA cases. So this means that we represent individuals who are married to U.S. citizens or green card holders, and they are living with them. It's a real marriage. It's not just for immigration, and they are suffering abuse in that marriage, and that abuse can be verbal, psychological, emotional abuse, and they can qualify for a lot of benefits: permission to live here forever. They can qualify for a green card, work authorization, travel authorization, social security number. So there's all of these different benefits that are available if you are in this situation. Um, so just as a heads up, excuse me, I'm just looking at some of the comments. You guys are funny. Let me know if you're watching for the first time, if you want to tell me where you're watching from, say hello. I would love to get to know the folks here that are watching with us. And I want to talk about VAWA today. And I'm going to keep it kind of short because I think you guys know I've been a little sick, and I'm trying to still have a little bit of a cough. Okay, perfect. All right, so one of the questions that comes up often is, I worked without authorization. Can I still apply for VAWA? Can I still apply for VAWA and a green card? Sometimes our clients, when we're working with them, they've been here many years, and they'll say they never worked without authorization. And the issue is with VAWA, it's okay. If you're applying for VAWA and a green card, it's okay if you worked without authorization. What we need is for you to be truthful, right? The issue becomes if you worked and claimed you were a U.S. citizen, that could be a problem. But generally, just unauthorized work is not an issue for VAWA applicants. Okay, so the important thing is to be truthful in your VAWA and green card applications. Work without authorization is totally fine. Just be truthful. Nothing's going to happen. You'll still qualify for the benefit. And a piece of advice is, with your attorney, always be truthful, because if you're not, you're trying to hide something that is inconsequential. It could impact you later as fraud or misrepresentation, right? So you don't want that to bar you when it doesn't make a difference in the first place. So call us if we can help you with your VAWA case. We can help you with obtaining a work permit if you need it, a social security number, travel. You can reach us and schedule a consultation at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. A reminder to like us and follow us. Thank you, Major Singh, for following us here on TikTok. We're on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, and TikTok. And we would love for you and your friends to follow us and like us, so you can get notified Share this with others so they can join in this conversation, because a lot of what we talk about, unfortunately, is not common knowledge. Okay. Great. I'm happy you guys are posting some questions. Feel free to post it here. Just know that what I'm providing here, I don't know your immigration history. So what I'm giving you is kind of general information. Don't take it as attorney advice or anything like that. If you want to talk about something that I'm saying here, please schedule a consultation with our firm. You can call the office to do that, 703-348-1663. Or you can schedule a consultation on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, or on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration is the handle as well. Okay, perfect. I have a question here from Junia. Thank you for joining us, guys. Hey, Amy, thank you for joining. Hi, Donald. Major Singh, awesome. Nice to see you again. Furesh Kaur. I see several of your questions here, so I'm going to get to that in just a second, okay? So Junia here on YouTube has a question. She says, my friend has a pending VAWA case. She is divorced with her husband against whom she filed a VAWA. Now she's pregnant with another guy, but she's not remarried. Will this baby affect her VAWA? No, it will not affect the VAWA case. That alone, of course, will not affect the VAWA case. If she has a strong VAWA application from the start, if she qualifies in every other way, for example, if she filed the VAWA within 2 years of the divorce, if she lived with her spouse, if she has evidence that it was a good faith marriage and a detailed declaration of the abuse in the marriage, it should be good. If we can help you with your VAWA case, please give us a call at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney in Washington, D.C. Our clients are everywhere, so we can help you no matter where in the U.S. you are located. Okay? Perfect. Another question that comes up is, when can a VAWA be approved but not a green card, right? So many times we apply for VAWA and a green card, and you get your VAWA approval, but people are worried, hey, is my green card going to get approved? I'm a little bit nervous. So the green card portion of it, once your VAWA is approved, assuming there's no fraud or misrepresentation or anything like that, right? If you have previous applications and they conflict, then it could be a problem for the green card. However, if your VAWA is approved, you were truthful with everything, the things that the government is looking at is the same for every application at that point, right? So they want to make sure you don't have any health issues. They want to make sure you're a person of good moral character, which they've already done for VAWA. So that's pretty good, unless something different happened between the VAWA and the green card interview. They want to make sure you don't have multiple illegal entries, right? So you want to also be able to say that you never claimed to be a U.S. citizen. So all of these things are considered for any green card application, be it employment-based or family-based green cards. That's what they're looking at. All of the considerations are the same. So at some point, you would have an issue no matter what path you took, right? So if an issue was going to present itself. So it's really important to talk to an attorney, to have a consultation with an attorney, to make sure you're in the best position, because all these things take so many years. And if you don't have it right from the beginning, something fixable, immigration laws are just easy to misunderstand, right? And the documents that you submit may be incomplete, may not be the right thing. You might be submitting more that could get you in trouble later. So it's just a lot to think about. So this is where an attorney can be helpful with your immigration applications, with your immigration case. Give us a call if we can help you. Please schedule a consultation where we will talk about your case, your questions, all the process, the timing, everything involved. You can call and schedule a consultation at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney in Washington, D.C. We have clients all over the United States, even outside of the United States, and we help only with immigration cases, employment cases, humanitarian cases like VAWA, T visas, U visas, and also family cases as well, and individuals, of course. Okay. Hope that we can get in touch. We can help you. Our consultations are done by phone, by Zoom, or in person. So today I had a mix of phone and Zoom consultations. If I know that we have a client who wants to come back in person for a consultation, so you're welcome to do that. Our office is in Washington, D.C. and easily accessible by metro, by bus, and of course train, plane, all of the things, because we're right in downtown D.C. Okay. I'm trying to look at your questions here. I'm sorry. On TikTok, I know we have several. Let's see. Cora says it's been 9 months since I filed an I-130 for my husband. I am a citizen. My spouse is overseas. How much longer? So usually it takes about 9 months. So you should be waiting to hear. I mean, you should be expecting to hear soon. Okay. Give us a call. If we can help you, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Um, Foray says, my wife and I are married for 2 years. I'm a U.S. citizen. She has DACA. How will parole in place affect her? So the new proposed law, right, that will give you status if you, it's a green card option if you had an illegal entry. So if she's on DACA, she likely had an illegal entry. And if she's here, she's married to a U.S. citizen, has lived here continuously for 10 years, and meets the other requirements, she may be considered for parole in place, sort of. That's the idea, to apply for a green card if she qualifies in every other way. So that is possible. She may still qualify right now to adjust her status without having to leave the country, or she might qualify for a waiver, right? But give us a call, schedule a consultation, because it'll be a great way to see what we can do now, because this is a proposed law. It might not go into effect, especially depending on who will win in this upcoming election. Okay, call us if we can help you. 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation by going to our Facebook page. We have a link right there, and you can see my availability, get on my calendar so we can get going with your immigration process. You can also go to our website, agarwalimmigration.com, go to the contact us page, and you can schedule a consultation from there as well right now. But if you prefer to call, we would love to hear from you. 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We help clients everywhere, and we work only on immigration. Okay? Donald, thank you for following us. Just make sure you like us, follow us, share this with others so you can be notified when I go live. Hi, Gothra. Hi, Eddie. Hi, Star. All of these guys followed us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's just very important to stay connected because immigration laws, especially with the new administration, can change frequently. So we would love for you guys to stay connected with us so we can keep everyone up to date of new things that may be happening in immigration, especially if you're undocumented, if you're out of status. Okay, call us if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. How long does it take for a VAWA to be approved? Sometimes it's very fast, and sometimes it is slow. So we've had VAWAs that have taken 3 years for approval. We've had VAWAs that have taken a year to a year and a half for approval, and we've had VAWAs that have been approved in 6 months. This is all over the place, as you can tell. So sit tight. I think the normal processing times right now is 36 months for a VAWA case. So you can always check the processing times, but it can be a little bit of time. So just sit tight. It's huge benefits. If you're applying for VAWA and a green card, you would receive travel authorization and work authorization in about 7 months. So in that period, you can pretty much work and live here in the U.S. as though you had a green card, right? Because you can travel in and out, and you can work anywhere you would like. So those benefits that green card holders have, you would receive if you qualify to apply for VAWA and a green card. And that's only in about 7 months from the time of approval of application, excuse me. So give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA case. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney in Washington, D.C. We have clients everywhere. We love to help with immigration cases, and we work on a wide variety of them. We love humanitarian cases, and I come here to talk mostly about humanitarian cases because that is a way for many undocumented people to believe and understand that they may be able to receive status here in the United States. Okay, 703-348-1663. All right. Dilshad says, my friend filed for a 765 based on VAWA After a year, he got denied, stating he is in removal proceedings and he needs to file an adjustment of status with the immigration court. Will it take another year to get his EAD? So we get EADs for people all the time in this situation. So number one, you want to make sure that that all of the proper categories are marked. Number two, if he has a prima facie on his VAWA case, he might be able to close out the immigration proceedings and proceed with adjustment of status here with USCIS, or you can wait till the VAWA approval, close out the proceedings, and then continue with adjustment of status with USCIS. So give us a call if we can help your friend. You can forward this information to your friend. He can call us 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We have clients everywhere. We help with lots of immigration cases all throughout the country. Farish says, thank you. I will be calling. Absolutely, Farish. We look forward to hearing from you. How can I edit the submitted 130 form? You can't, right? So this is one of the reasons to work with experienced professionals in submitting your green card application. So once submitted, you can't really edit it, but you can send a letter correcting what you need to, okay? Press says, my VAWA was approved. Congratulations. My 485 interview was completed in October, and my case is still under review. I'm sorry, but hopefully a decision will come soon. If it goes too long, you can maybe file a mandamus action, but I probably wouldn't do that at this point. Just sit tight and wait and see, because this hasn't been that long. I know it's difficult for you, but VAWA approval is a huge step. So it's a huge step. Okay. Awesome. Let's see. What other questions do we have here? How can I prove that I'm a good person of good moral character for VAWA, right? So how do I prove that I'm a person of good moral character? That's needed. That's one of the VAWA requirements. How do you prove that? So what our firm does is when you work with us, we send you instructions on getting fingerprinted. And this is a private place that you go to get fingerprinted. And we send out that fingerprint card to the FBI to get a report. So don't worry, nothing triggers removal or anything. All we're doing is getting information about your background, right? So what criminal history there is. Most of our clients have no criminal history. And we submit that report, and that is a great piece of evidence to show that you're not a person that has had criminal issues in the past. If you have, you might still not have to worry, right? So we can review those convictions, or we can review the charges, figure out what happened, and you might still be eligible for VAWA. So give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation by going to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. All right, guys, thank you so much. It's wonderful to see all of you, and I hope that we get to connect with many of you for a consultation to see how our firm can help you. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Follow us, like us, and make sure you join us again soon. I come on often, and I would love to see you guys again here. So follow us, like us, and share this with others that you think might find this helpful. Reminder again to check out our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration. Schedule a consultation directly from there. You can call the office 703-348-1663, or also, of course, go on to our website and schedule from there as well. All right, guys, nice to see you here. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.